My name is Jordan Brassell. I'm a podiatrist here with HROSM, so I do anything with foot and ankle surgery. After high school, I was a missionary for 2 years in Colombia. And then after that, I went out west to BYU, Brigham Young University in Utah. Got my degree in exercise science, and then subsequently went to medical school in Philadelphia at Temple University. And then I did my surgical training out in the greater Philadelphia area. Podiatry is exciting. We see anything in a given day from calluses or toenail fungus to ankle fractures to wound care to Achilles ruptures or overuse injuries with athletes. And so it's such a wide variety of different things that are coming into the office. And so it really keeps you on your toes. It keeps my mind thinking. I feel like the best part of it is that I get to help people feel better that same day. And that's the part that really feels great about podiatry, is just being able to get people feeling good again, mobile and moving around, and being able to see that happen pretty quickly. I like a lot of minimally invasive surgeries where we can go in and do a lot of correction without having to do a lot of damage to the natural tissue that's already there. So we can reduce the amount of damage and increase the amount of correction that we're doing. So minimally invasive has come a long ways, and that's a great aspect of surgeries that I try to employ as often as I can and as often as permissible. And another specialty is total ankle replacements as well. Being able to get people that have difficult motion or painful motion and in that ankle joint, and being able to essentially replace it and get people moving adequately again and being able to enjoy the activities that they love. We're all working to get you better. That's the focus, that we're gonna listen to you and listen to see what's helping you and what's hurting you, and that's the goal, is to get you back to being functional, enjoying, and kind of forgetting about your feet. I'm excited to be here with HROSM, one, to be back local, be back in the area, but also part of that is just great staff, great people. Since I've been here, everyone's been nothing but kind and helpful and friendly. And it's been absolutely wonderful, where that feels nice to come into work and see bright, smiling faces and just be able to have a good day as we're going through and trying to help other people have a good day as well.